I have 3 unripe banana. Let's make a fry with it. That would be perfect side dish. Wash it and cut the edges. Peel the skin off, doesn't need to peel completely. Now chop the plantain into a medium slices, don't make it too thin, cause it becomes like chips. In a pan add water and little salt and add the chopped plantains. Let it boil just for 3 minutes and take off. Do not overcook. Now add little salt as required. 1/2 spoon of chili powder, 1/2 spoon of turmeric powder, 1 spoon of garam masala and 1 spoon of curry powder, 1 spoon of black pepper powder. Add a spoon of oil. Mix, mix, mix. Now add little amount of rice flour and mix, mix, mix. In a tawa add oil. Add some curry leaves. Now place the plantain pieces one by one. Cook well. Fry well and turn over. And let other side to cook well. Take out of tawa after completely cooked. Repeat the process for every batch. This would be best side dish for all rice items. Today I serve with some curd rice and tamarind rice. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe.